As you must be aware, I think many new faces are there. Dr. Mom, he has been our friend, philosopher, and guide for Canara Bank Officers Association. For the last almost 25 years, he has been taking hand in coaching sessions for CBOA. This time also, he has kindly consented to come here. I, on behalf of Canara Bank Officers Association, on behalf of myself, I thank Dr. Mom for having taken this pain and come to our association office. Anyway, I will not come today. Now I will hand over the mic to Saukar Mom. Let us begin this session.
Okay, good morning to all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Because I know the time is very precious because next Sunday you are free. Not this Sunday because another 5-6 days are hardly left for the exam. Hardly. So anyway, how many of you listened to my lecture? The video recording was done. It was circulated already by CBOA Chennai unit. Anyway, this is the first offline session I can say for clerical officers conducted for the first time.
Light ಹಿಂದೆ ಲೈಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ
ಇದು ಓಕೆನಾ?
ಲೈಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ
It is conducted for the first time by Bangalore unit.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ
Online classes are conducted all over India by CBOA Chennai unit. They have done a wonderful job. But for the first time, offline classes were also conducted. Now the credit should go to the Bangalore unit under the presidency of our J. Jagdish, Joint General Secretary Uday Lavdaya, and all the officers, and also our top leadership Manimaranji, who inspired us to take these offline classes. There is a difference between taking online classes and offline classes. In online classes, there is no interaction, as you know. It's like that it is one-way traffic. You go on telling, and the response we are not getting. The advantage of offline classes, there is a two-way traffic. It is the interaction we can do. We can also feel your response for the class and whether you understood the subject or not, something like that. But I really appreciate it is a Sunday, but another 6 days are left. Saturday 13th we are going for the examination. I do not know how far you are prepared. Anybody has not prepared at all so far? Raise your hands. Not prepared. What is your name?
I'm sorry. From Malaysian making.
You are not prepared at all. No, you tell me either two answers. Either you are prepared or not prepared. In between, I don't want. You are in Coromandala, no? You are earlier in this one, BTM layout. I know. You prepared well, na? You are a Bengali. Right, no?
Yes.
Okay. Anyway, even though you are not prepared, don't worry much. These are objective type questions. I am giving you some questions which is very, very important from the examination point of view. First, I will give the questions, you answer it, then I will also answer it. We will go together. You have got a pen and all that? Okay.
Everybody has got
Most important is
ಪೇಪರ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ
ಪೇಪರ್ ಇದೆ,
pen.
pen ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನಾನು ಒಂದು 1000 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇವತ್ತು 1000 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 100 ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಲಿಸನ್ ಟು ಮಿ ವೆರಿ ಅಟೆಂಟಿವ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಏನು ಬೇಡ. ಏನು ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರೇ ಏನು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಏನು 3 ಸಲ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ
ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಪಾಸ್ ಹೌದು ಓಕೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಟೈಪ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ವೈಸ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ see that how far you understood. Question number 1. Okay. Customer is defined under which act? Question number 1. Customer is defined under which act? Question number 1. Don't worry about the handwriting. ಹಾಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನೀವು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ handwriting ಇಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. So customer is defined under which act? One line reading. Leave on line. Next. KYC policy guidelines are given under which section? KYC policy guidelines are given under which section? KYC policy guidelines are given under which section? Number 3. As per KYC policy, how many pillars are there? As per KYC policy, how many pillars are there? How many pillars are there? You just take pillars number. Don't take full because there is nothing to write. How many pillars are there? Question number 4. Give examples of low risk, medium risk, and high risk customers. Give examples of low risk, medium risk, and high risk customers. Low risk, medium risk, and high risk customers. Give examples. Then re-KYC updation. Re-KYC updation. Low risk, medium risk, and high risk. Re-updation of KYC data. Uploading. low risk, medium risk and high risk. Next, non-profit organizations comes under which risk? Non-profit organizations comes under which risk? NPO. Non-profit organization comes under which risk? Then what is CKYC and eKYC? What is CKYC and eKYC? Next, what is the time limit for CKYC now? What is the time limit for opening the account? What is the time limit for opening the account for CKYC now? Next, who is a beneficial owner? Who is a beneficial owner in partnership, bar trust and a company? Who is a beneficial owner? In the case of a partnership, bar trust, bar company, beneficial owner. Next, what is CTR and STR report? CTR means cash transaction report and a suspicious transaction report. What do you mean by CTR and STR report? CTR and STR. What is cross-border transaction report? Cross-border. What is cross-border transaction report? CTR, STR, cross-border transaction report. Cross-border transaction reports. Then records are, as per KYC, records are to be preserved for how many years? For transaction and for closing the account. There are two things are there. One is from transaction perspective, another is from the closing the relationship. You have to preserve the records for how many years? As per KYC. As per KYC, records are to be preserved for how many years? Records are to be preserved as per KYC. All these questions I am putting on KYC only now. Next, what is money laundering? What is money laundering? When the Prevention of Money Laundering Act was passed, when the Prevention of Money Laundering Act was passed, what are the stages of money laundering? What are the stages of money laundering? What is the punishment involved in money laundering? Punishment. Punishment involved. What is the punishment involved in money laundering? Then how many years records are to be maintained as per Prevention of Money Laundering Act? Records. Prevention of money laundering. Records are to be preserved for how many years? Okay, these questions I will take first. These questions are relating to KYC and money laundering. ಇದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಸಿಗ್ಬೋದು, 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. How many mark? That's all, 2 or 3 mark maximum. Next, one more question you take. KYC guidelines are applicable for what? One more. So 3 marks only will get to the point I am explaining you now. And objective is based on the subjective. You should know the matter first. Then objective becomes very easy for you. Just like you cannot tick. What is the first question? Okay. KYC policy guidelines are?
No, first question is
Customer is defined under which act? Yes, anybody? Customer is defined under KYC policy act. Take it down. KYC policy act. Customer is defined under KYC policy act. They will put 4 or 5 questions. Sale of goods, partnership, negotiable, KYC policy. You have to read all the 4 options. Then you should say customer is defined under KYC policy ticket. That is the first question. KYC policy act. Customer definition. Next one.
KYC policy guidelines under which
Section 35A of BR Act. 35A of BR Act 1949. KYC policy guidelines are given under Section 35A of BR Act. Over. To the point. Next.
how many pillars are there?
4 pillars are there. Customer acceptance. First pillar is customer acceptance. Customer identification. Basing on the OVD, official valid document. Monitoring the large value. Training the counter staff. There are 4 pillars are there as per KYC policy. Over. To the point. Attack. Next.
Low risk, medium
Low risk you take accounts of individuals, agriculturists, government officials. They are all coming under this. Low risk. Medium risk accounts of illiterate persons, illiterate, blind persons, Parda nation ladies, gas dealers, then the telecom operators, travel agents, they are all coming under a medium risk. High risk, accounts of politically exposed persons, PEP. Then non-profit organizations, HNIs, NRIs, HNIs and NGOs receiving funds from abroad. NGOs, they are all coming under high risk. Next,
KYC का KYC updation से
low risk once in 10 years, medium risk 8 years, high risk 2 years. Over, finish. To the point. 10, 8 and 2. Over, re-updation. Okay.
non-profit organization.
They are coming under high risk. Non-profit organizations, they are registered under Companies Amendment Act 2013. They are coming under high risk. Non-profit organizations.
KYC and eKYC.
eKYC is based on Aadhaar number. Aadhaar, UIDA. Aadhaar is having a 10 number. Whereas CKYC is based on a CERSAI registration. CERSAI. eKYC, Aadhaar. CKYC, CERSAI. eKYC, CKYC. Now CKYC, hello. Earlier the time was T plus 9 days. Now it is T plus 5 days. This question is going to come. T plus 5 days. T plus 5 days. Opening the account basing on CKYC. T plus 5 days.
Time limit for opening account under CKYC.
T plus 5 days, I told you.
With the beneficial owner and partnership.
See, in the case of partnership or trust, a beneficial owner is right 15% contribution. 1-5. Either towards the profit or towards the capital or both. 15% is called as a beneficial owner. In the case of a company, it is 25%. Underline. Company 25%. Otherwise, how much partnership and trust are 15%. In company, it is 25%. Underline. Just tick it off. Tick it. Attack. Objective questions. Next, See, cash transaction report means any cash withdrawal or cash deposit in a month, either totally or in aggregate, 10 lakh and above. Underline the word 10 lakh and above. You have to submit a report 15th of next succeeding month. This month over means next 15th you have to submit it. That is succeeding month. So 10 lakh and above, that cut-off limit is there. That is CTR report. Suspicious transaction, even if 1 rupee is there, you are suspecting, you have to submit the report within 7 days. From the date of the suspicion, within 7 days. Even if 1 rupee is there also, you have to report. And cross-border transaction, 5 lakh and above. 5 lakh and above, 15th of succeeding month. Cross-border report, 5 lakh and above. Next. I am only explaining to the exam point of view, nothing else. Over. Next.
Records are preserved for how many years? Records to be preserved for how many years?
No, tell me.
Transaction.
15th of the next month.
Yes. See, transaction purpose, it is 10 years you take. For transaction purpose, you have to maintain record for 10 years from the date of the last transaction. 10 years. For transaction purpose. But for closing the relationship means closing the account 5 years. This is a confusion again. 10 years from the date of the transaction KYC. But for closing the relationship, how many years? 5 years. Next.
Money laundering. What is money laundering?
Money laundering means a crime has been committed. Some money has been made out of the crime. And that money is channelized into the normal Indian banking channels. That is called as making the illicit money into a legal money. That is money laundering is all about. Whenever in the account we find abnormal transactions, you have to report the matter. Because it is a very dangerous thing. In zero balance account recently in SBI Chennapatna branch, some 4 crore rupees have come. How? Money laundering.
Which all comes under abnormal?
Abnormal transaction you have to decide now.
Like if
First of all, whether there is a line of business and your activity, you tell me now. Now, for example, I am a very simple man. I am a pension holder. In my account, which balance will come? Only pension only will come. And instead of a pension, if something huge amount comes, that is a tension for you.
if in our account, if one person daily
If you see one thing very simple, if you have got any doubt, call the person and ask him how he got the money. What is the source? Let him explain it. If you could not explain, you inform the matter to FI, Financial Intelligence Unit. Okay? I will not go deep into this subject now. Don't discuss because it is not a training program. It is a coaching class. And I have to complete so many topics. Don't worry. Next.
EMLA. PM.
The act was passed in the year 2005. Prevention of Money Laundering Act was passed in the year 2005. Next.
Stages of money laundering.
Stages of money laundering. First one is there are one layering, yes, placement and integration. You are integrating white money and black money. So layering is the first process. Layering is the first. Placement is the second stage. Third stage is what? Integration. Okay. Next.
Punishment in money laundering.
Punishment ranging from 3 years to 7 years. But if you are caught in narcotics, 10 years punishment. Narcotics. Other than narcotics, 3 to 7 years. If you are involved in narcotics, the punishment may be extend to 10 years. Next.
Records in money laundering, how many years?
5 years. 5 years only. See, money laundering purpose 5 years only.
KYC guidelines applicable.
For deposit, locker, safe custody, answer all the above. All the above. You have to read all the above. Sometimes none of the above. Any of the above. You have to read all the options. KYC guidelines are applicable for deposit, applicable for lockers, applicable for safe custody. Answer all the above. Over. Finish to the point. To the point. And only 2 or 3 marks you will get in this. How much? For 2 marks you have to prepare 2 marks only. If you study, sir, entirely KYC I have studied, you will get 2 marks only. How much you want? Your Indira is the same, Indira. I am talking from experience, purely examination point of view, nothing more. Even though you are not, now she has not prepared, she told. Even though she has got 1 week time now, still. She can score more. You have done JIB? JIB? Nobody has done here JIB, CIB? You have done JIB. Where you are working? Chamarajpete branch. Tough branch alado. Fraud ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಈಗಿಲ್ಲ. Okay. Now, what I KYC AML over? Take next deposit. To the point, I will not go more than that. To the point. Deposit, number 1. Which is called as the mother of deposit. Just 25 questions. Only 2 mark only. Deposit, KYC together 5 mark. Over. So, which is the mother of deposit? Number 1. SB joint account maximum individual. Next question. SB account maximum individual. SB account joint. Maximum individual. Next, SB balance. Rural and other than rural. Initial balance ಎಷ್ಟಿರಬೇಕು? Rural and other than rural. Then what is inoperative SB account? What is unclaimed deposit? What is inoperative SB account? What is unclaimed deposit? What is the rate of interest on SB deposit? What is the rate of interest on SB deposit, savings bank deposit? Rate of interest on SB deposit. I mean, who can permit TOD in SB? Who can permit TOD in SB account? How many DDs can be issued at par? How many DDs can be issued at par? Free of charge in a month, DDs. Minimum interest payable in SB. Minimum interest payable in SB. Minimum interest payable in SB account. Yes, too. Okay, you take. Minimum interest payable in savings bank. Next, current account. Then what do you mean by SB Power Plus? Just like that, so many products. And one thing I tell you, lot of questions on circulars and products of the bank. This time, 3 to 4, 1 to 2, everything same. Questions on products only. What is SB Power Plus? Okay. What is SB Galaxy? To the point I am explaining, so many things are there. SB Power Plus, what is SB Gen Y? Gen Y means youngsters. Gen Y. Youngsters are young generation accounts. SB Defense. What is SB CanChamp? See the flavors in SB CanChamp. What is SB Jeevan Dhara? SB Jeevan Dhara. Then Jandan account. PMJDY Jandan accounts. Zero balance. SB SP Galaxy over SP Power Plus over. Then what do you mean by current account? What is the initial deposit in rural and other than rural in the current account? Current account can be opened for whom? What do you mean by current account privilege? What is the CASA percentage of Canara Bank? What is the CASA percentage of Canara Bank as on 31st of December? CASA percentage. What is RD and what is the difference between RD and RD Dhanvarsha? RD and RD Dhanvarsha, what is the difference? What is Can Tax Saver? Can Tax Saver. What is capital gain exemption scheme? So many products are there, 1000 odd. What is capital gain exemption scheme? What is Can Tax Saver? Again, Can Tax Saver is capital gain exemption is FDR. What is FDR KDR? What is FDR KDR? What is NND? Very important. What is NND? New Nitya Nidhi Deposit, NNND. ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಅದು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ?
NNND ಅಂದ್ರೆ NND ಅಂತ.
NNND ಹೌದು ಆಯ್ತಾ? NNND RD Dhanvarsha. Okay, these questions again I am taking up to the point only, not more than that. All together KYC, money laundering, deposit ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡಿ 5 marks. Over 5 marks. Then what is the 95% marks? That is important. These 5 marks are only just. What is the first question? Padapat. Mother of deposit SP. Mugito. Savings bank. SP joint account. This question will be asked. Last year it was 4. Now that is removed now. Any number of individuals. Thanks to how many syndicate people are here? We syndicate. Because of we syndicate. In that bank it was not there. Now maximum individual 4 is not there. Any number of individual. This question is going to come. I am telling you now only. Any number of individuals. But they will put 4 also to confuse you. But the answer is any number of individuals. Okay, next.
Minimum rural and other than.
One is 500 and 1000 over. Very simple. Yes, 500 and 1000 with or without checkbook. Same. 500. Inoperative means not operated for the last 2 years. Not operated for the last 2 years. Inoperative SBI account. Unclaimed deposit not claimed for the last 10 years. Not claimed for the last 10 years. Over. Objective. 10 years. This is very important. 7/21/2020. Take down the circular. Less than 50 lakh. 2.90. Less than 100 lakh. 2.90. Less than 100 lakh. Less than 300 crore. 3. Exactly 3%. Less than 500 crore, 3.05. More than 500 crore and above, 3.20. See, they will ask you how many slabs are there in SB interest. There are 5 slabs are there. They will ask you like that. So up to 50 lakh, less than 50 lakh, 2.90. Less than 100 lakh, 2.90. Less than 300 crore ratio, 3%. Less than 500 crore ratio, 3.05. 500 crore and above ratio, 3.20. So it means 5 slabs are there in SB interest. They will ask me such questions, 5 slabs. Yellow entry, 1 day slab, 5 slabs. Circular I told you, 7/21/2020. Next question.
TOD in SB.
Only scale 4 and above can permit TOD. Up to scale 3, no powers. Only scale 4 and above can permit TOD, that to 10,000 rupees. Mugito. Next.
How many
DD, 2 DDs you can be issued free of cost in a month. 2 DDs. Up to 25,000 rupees you can issue. Next.
Minimum interest payable.
1 rupee. Minimum interest payable 1 rupee in SB.
SB Power Plus.
SB Power Plus means a VIP customer, this product. Average balance should be 1 lakh in a month. You should maintain 1 lakh average deposit. If you don't maintain it, there is a penalty of 250 per quarter. SB Power Plus means Power Plus. It's for very prestigious VIP customers, this product. But 1 lakh average balance. Otherwise 250 quarter default. Fine is there. Next.
SB Galaxy.
SB Galaxy, you're right. Initial deposit 0, average balance 0. Hello, SB Galaxy is a combination of online trading, SB, insurance, credit card, all SB Galaxy. And here free accident insurance 5 lakh is available. 5 lakh is available. SB Galaxy.
SB Gen Y.
SB Gen Y is meant for youngsters. Those who are studying in prospective, IM and all that. Initial deposit is 0. Average balance is 0. We want to convert the younger population into our customers later on. And you can issue them platinum card, VIP card. They can draw cash 50,000 rupees from ATM and 2 lakh rupees POS. That is for SB Gen Y. Next.
Defense.
Defense is 0 initially. Defense people only it is given. And their pension is coming, on that you permit the TOD. SB Defense. We have got a product segmentation. Can jump. It is up to 11 years, 364 days children are eligible. And 100 rupees account opening. No checkbook. No joint account. And half yearly 2 credits should come in that account. Rural or semi-urban 500. Urban and metro how much? 1000 rupees should come in that account. And then when the son becomes a major 18 year, he can operate the account independently. SB interest only you have to give. Okay, SB can champ. Next.
Senior citizen.
It is meant for senior citizens 60 years and above. But there is no preferential interest here. But 50% concession can be given in locker rent and so. And since the pension is coming, you can permit pension loan also. That's all. SB Jeevan Dhara.
General.
General account.
General account are zero balance accounts. PMJDY zero balance accounts. Basing on self-declaration, you open the account. No detailed KYC is required. But 3 conditions are there. No checkbook is issued. In a month, 4 withdrawals of 10,000 only. And the total credits in a year should not exceed 1 lakh. The balance in a year should not exceed 50,000. Over. To the point, next question.
Current account.
Current account is meant for traders and business. No interest is payable. 1,000 rupees rural or semi-urban, 5,000 urban and metro. Current account can be opened by individual, partnership, company, trust, society, association, over. Next.
Government departments.
Government department also you can open. SB account also you can open. Again it depends upon. Okay, next question.
Initial deposit in current account.
Over no 1,000 and 5,000 over. Current account privilege is for again 1 lakh average balance is to be maintained. But the difference is in SP Power Plus 250 penalty is there for non-maintenance. Here it is 1,000 rupees per quarter. 1,000 rupees per quarter penalty is there. Current account privilege. Who will maintain a 0 interest? 1 lakh average balance. And that too if you don't maintain 1,000 rupees penalty per quarter. Next.
What's the percentage of Canara Bank as well?
How much? Anybody has seen the result balance sheet? We have crossed total deposits, we have crossed 33%. 33% CASA percentage of Canara Bank. Next.
RD and RD.
RD you take a minimum amount, minimum deposit 50 rupees. Hello? 50 rupees like that. Continuous state line 50 every month you have to pay same equal installment. RD Dhanavarsha flexibility is there. RD Dhanavarsha you take a minimum now it is 250 rupees. Minimum 1 year and maximum 10 year. Minimum 1 year and maximum 10 year. RD Dhanavarsha. 4 installment can be skipped in RD Dhanavarsha. 10 times of the deposit you can do it in RD Dhanavarsha. In RD, installments are state only. 500 means 500 only. Next you take. RD Dhanavarsha is subject to TDS. 1% TDS is there on interest. One thing. Secondly, you take next 2 questions you put in that RD again. What is discontinued RD? What is discontinued RD? If 4 installments are in default continuously, 4 installments are in default, it is called as a RD discontinued RD. Very good. One question. Next question. Whether staff members are exempted from penal charges for delay installment? No. Staff members are also subject to penal charges. If there is a delay in paying the installment, penal charges are there. It is applicable to staff members also. Number 3. Last question I will ask you. This question was asked for 3 to 4. Now suppose what is the date today? 7th of February. You have opened an RD account. When the payment is due? 1 year. 7th of February you have to make the payment. Okay. But last installment, when I have to make the payment? 7th of January. But I do it on 15th of January, last installment. What will happen on the maturity date? It gets postponed. It gets postponed. That is very good. This question was asked for 3 to 4. Since the last installment was delayed, the maturity date gets postponed accordingly. Yes, this question is important. Okay, that's all. And you can give loan on that. 90% loan you can give. RD Dhanvarsha, chalo. 2% above the deposit rate. How much VSL can be given in cash? Cash. Huh? VSL, how much you can give in cash? History? But exactly 20,000. You should not make the payment beyond 20. Suppose if I make then, suppose I make 30,000 rupees instead of 20,000. So 30,000 equal 30,000, no, 30,000 fine you have to pay again. Whatever, suppose exactly 20,000 only you have to pay. This is for IT Act. Section 269 of income tax. VSL in cash 20,000 only. Over. To the point.
Canada tax saver.
Very good. ATC. Section ATC of IT Act. Minimum 100. Maximum 1.5 lakh in a year. Only FDR, KDR. 5 year only. No loan on that. They will put you. How much loan can be given? 90, first class 90. Can tax saver, no loan can be given. It cannot be closed before maturity. Jointly with 2 only it can be done. Can tax saver. Next. Huh? Capital gain exemption scheme 1988. Here you write NRIs are not eligible. Not eligible. NRIs, capital gain exemption scheme. You can open SP or FD account. NRIs are not eligible. Then no preferential interest to senior citizens. No preferential interest to senior citizens. This is capital gain exemption scheme 1988. Next. And 3 nominees. 3 nominees. Yeah, FDR minimum you take, minimum 1,000 rupees, maximum low limit, minimum 15 days, maximum 120 months. But if the FD is 5 lakh and above, 7 days. 7 days. You can take 90% VSL, 2% above the deposit rate. It can be closed before maturity, but penal interest is there. If the FD, you are giving FDR receipt, if it is lost, you can give a duplicate receipt. My question is, the FDR receipt, original, duplicate, both have been presented. What will you do? Duplicate will prevent. Very good. You can close before maturity. Duplicate you can be forward. FDR. Next, KDR means what? Here interest is given. Simple interest is given monthly, quarterly, like that. But in KDR, interest is compounded and it is given only at maturity. But KDR minimum amount is 1,000. Same. Maximum no limit. Minimum 5 months. Maximum 120 months. All depositor 120 months except minor deposit and core deposit. 120 months. Okay. KDR you have opened. Again 90% VSL. Close before maturity. Duplicate. All things are same. Now my question is next one. Bank of Baroda. FDR is presented in Canara Bank, Koramangala branch. Bank of Baroda. Whether you give loan on that? Why?
Because banks cannot
We
give
don't
loans.
have the-
It is a public sector bank, no?
But banks cannot
We
give
do
loans.
both the deposit method.
Whether bank can give loan against FD of other bank is my question.
No, it is not.
Free of,
Other bank.
post office can be given.
No. Only Canara
Only
Bank.
Canara Bank. Only Canara Bank.
No bank. It is very clear. I put it into that. Then don't apply your mind, sir. What is Bank of Baroda, Canara, all are, that bank is going on. Now all banks are merging. Today paper you are right. Bank of Punjab and Sindh Bank will be closed, private bank. Bank of Maharashtra, private bank. Chalo. Central Bank of India, IOB, all merging with the Bank of India. Chalo. Finish. Taka. All chapter. Next question. NND very important this time. 100%. 2-3 questions are on NND. But take down. Number 1, minimum 50 rupees per day. Beeltade. Minimum 50 rupees per day. Maximum 1,000 rupees per day. In a month, 30,000 rupees. Means 30 days. 30 days into 1,000, 38,000. Very clear. 50 rupees per day, maximum 1000 per day. ಒಂದು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್. You take, there are 5 periods are there here. They will ask you, how many, see this is a question where they will confuse you. How many periods are there in NND? 5 periods are there. Which are those? Up to 12 months, up to 24 months, above 24 to 39, 39 to 63 and above 63. Up to 12 months, no interest. Up to 24 months, no interest. Then 0.5, 1.5, 2.5. First 12 months, no interest. Next 24 months, no interest. 24 to 39 months, 0.5, then 1.5, then 2.5. And one thing, this is one thing. NND, VSL, how much can be given NND? 75%. Oh, great, not 90, 75%. And area collection, you take down how much collection is there. Area A, 3 lakh per month. Area B, 4 lakh. Area C, 5 lakh. 3, 4, 5. Area C means Bombay and all that. That is, and how much commission is getting? Area 1, he is getting 8,000 rupees. If he has achieved the target, plus 750 conveyance he is getting. 8,000 plus 750. In the second one, he is getting 3% commission only. That is B, area B. And area C is getting 2% commission only. That, and NND balancing monthly balancing. 75% VSL. Appointment of NND agent is with the concurrence of RO. That is very, very important. And collection, I told you, rate of interest, if NND is closed within year, no interest is payable. No interest is payable. Okay, NND is over. Next.
Discontinue.
What is the question? Or another 5 questions you take. What do you mean by bulk deposit? How many interest slabs are there? How many interest slabs are there for deposit? Then what do you mean by 15G, 15H? 15G, 15H. Then what do you mean by preservation of records? What is the TDS on TDS on rent? TDS on rent. Standard deduction for employees. Standard deduction for employees. TDS on rent. I mean TDS for interest for senior citizens. Exemption limit. And general citizens. Now these questions I will take now. What is the first question? And next, 10 crore and above FD, rate of interest you are getting from whom? 10 crore and above FD, rate of interest you are obtaining from whom? Okay. Next, what is the first question? 2 crore and above. 2 crore and above. Earlier it was 1 crore and above. Now it is 2 crore and above. Is a bulk deposit. Over. Next.
Interest slabs for deposits.
Now there are 9 slabs are there. 9 slabs are there. Right. 9 slabs. Next.
Form 15G bar H.
15G you are taking from other than senior citizen. Senior citizen means 60 years he has to complete. So if he is 59 year and 364 days, 15G you have to take. If he has completed 60 years, then 15H you have to take. 15G, 15H. 15H senior citizens. Every year you have to take in the month of April. Reservation of record. Very good. Circular 69/2000, you take 2017. And section 45Y of BR Act. See, preservation of record means how many years you have to keep the record? No. There are so many things are there. You take it or no? Preservation of record. Number 1, 15G or 15H, 7 years. 15G or 15H is to 7 years. You have to preserve the record. Form number 16, 6 years. Counterfeit records, 1402. Counterfeit records, 3 years. 3 years. Next, death claim papers, permanently, death claim papers. Then EMT register, equitable mortgage, permanently. EMT register, permanently. Death claim paper, permanently. Next, staff accountability matter, permanently. Till you die, they will not leave you. Staff accountability matter also permanently. Unclaimed deposit, 20 years. 20 year unclaimed deposit, 20 year. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ Written off account. This question was asked last year for 3 to 4. Write off account 10 year from the date of write off. You have to maintain 10 year. Write off ಆದ್ರಿಂದ 10 year maintain ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Unclaimed deposit 20 year. Staff matters permanently. EMT register permanently. Death claim paper permanently. 15G 15H 7 year. Form number 16 6 years. Counterfeit records 3 years. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಷನ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ 8 years. ಆಮೇಲೆ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ನೇಚರ್ 5 year. ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ನೇಚರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು 5 year. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ 20 year. ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ 20 year. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಿಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು?
TDS on rent.
TDS on rent is exempted up to 2,40,000. TDS on rent is exempted up to 2,40,000. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಸಿಟಿಜನ್ಗೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಮ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು 50,000. ಅದರ್ ದೆನ್ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಸಿಟಿಜನ್ಸ್ 40,000. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಡಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ನಾವು 50,000 ಪರ್ಮಿಟೆಡ್. ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಡಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ 50,000.
Rate of interest is by ID.
Treasury wing. Over Treasury wing, Mumbai, 10 crore and above. ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟೈತೆ? ಸೊ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಓವರ್, ಮನಿ ಲಾಂಡ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಓವರ್, ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ KYC, ಮನಿ ಲಾಂಡ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಓವರ್, all the three together 5 mark. 5 mark. You have prepared this much only, I think, so far. Or not, that also not prepared. Don't worry. I challenge you, even if you are not studied, listen to my lecture over. Another 1 week time is there, sufficient time is there. You have to write what objective, but to know it, you should know it. You should know what is the subject. Now just I asked you. See, I have seen you 2-3 times only. I remember where you are working, where you were earlier. How I remember? It's all memory. It's interested, that's all. You know your circular you remember? No. But one circular you are at 957, wage revision circular you are at. 10 times you are at. Deep into that, underlined. Stagnation increment, this, that. But other circulars you have not taken care of. No, I am not blaming you. Wherever we are interested, we are more, our memory is very good. Other subjects we are not interested. Okay, forget it. Fatapat, to the point, examination, you are very lucky batch now, I tell you. You should score more than 70 plus. Now, KYC over, money laundering over, deposit over, no? Now take priority sector advances. On this 10 marks are there. Oh, great. 10 marks on priority sector lending. I'll take down. Question number 1. Target for public sector bank and RRBs. Heading priority sector lending. Target for public sector bank and RRBs. Number 2. Target for agriculture. Target for agriculture. Next. Target for marginal and small farmer. Target for marginal and small farmer. Target for weaker section. How many categories are there in priority sector advances? I tell you 10 marks are going to come on this. 10 mark. 10 out of 10. How many categories are there in priority sector lending? How many categories are there? Aida. Then how many categories are there? How many priority sector certificates are issued? What are the types? Priority sector lending certificate. What are the types of that? Then the size of the priority sector certificate. What is the size? What is the size? What is the size of the priority sector target certificate? Then education loan comes under priority. What is the amount? Education loan. What is the target for micro enterprises? Micro enterprises. Khadi and village industry comes under which category? Which category? MSME Act was amended from which date? MSME Act was amended from which date? Revise the priority guidelines with effect from which date? Revise the priority sector guidelines with effective from which date? Non-achievement of priority sector, what is the penalty? Non-priority. Then who is monitoring this? What is the periodicity of monitoring priority sector target? ಯಾರು ಮಾನಿಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? What is the target for RRBs for weaker section? I tell you 10 marks are sure this. Okay,
The last question.
weaker sections for RRBs. Okay, these questions I will take first. What is the first question? Very good. Target for public sector bank, Barkoli, 40% of A and B, C or off balance sheet exposure, whichever is higher. They will again put you, whichever is lower, equal, higher, higher. 40% of adjusted net bank credit or off balance sheet exposure, whichever is higher. This word is important, higher. On that. Next, what is the question? RRB target is 75%. 75% of A and B, C or off balance sheet exposure, whichever is higher. Over. Next. See, out of 40%, agriculture 18% target is there. 18% of A and B, C or off balance sheet exposure, whichever is higher. Agriculture 18% out of 40. Next. In that 18%, marginal and small farmer, this year you take 8%. Next year 9, I will 9.5, I will 10. See this year, see again they put you, this year 8%, no change. Next year 9%, next year 10.5, 23, 24 how much? So 8, 9, 9.5, 10. 8, 9, 9.5, 10. Last year 23, 24 is 10%. They'll put you the year also. So many questions, confusion. Confusion is because you are not read properly. No clarity. That's the problem. Nobody can. Simply don't blame the examiner. You yourself got confused. So 8, 9, 9.5, 10. Over. Next question.
Weaker section.
Weaker section. This year 10%. Next year 11. 11.5, 12. 10, 11, 11.5, 12. Weaker section.
Total number of categories in
8 categories are there. Now I am explaining. Take down points. 8 categories. Barkoli. Number 1, agriculture. Agriculture you take down. Number 1. I will give you some points. Agriculture. Number 1 you take. Here, agriculture produce loan 50 lakh comes. Agriculture produce loan 50 lakh comes under here. 50 lakh repayable in 12 months. ಯಾವುದು agriculture produce loan. Agriculture ancillary activity 100 crore per borrower. Agriculture ancillary activities 100 crore per borrower. Agriculture infrastructure 100 crore per borrower. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ 5 crore per borrower. Producer, agriculture produce organization 5 crore. Agriculture loan to cooperative societies for disposing 5 crore. Cooperative society 5 crore. Farmer produce organization 5 crore. Agriculture infrastructure 100 crore. Agriculture ancillary activity 100 crore. Agriculture produce loan is to 50 lakh repayable in 12 months. Most important, startup agriculture. ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. Startup agriculture 50 crore. This is going to come. Startup comes under agriculture. Startup agriculture how much? 50 crore. These are all coming under ನಿಮ್ದು ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾನ್ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮರ್, ನಾನ್ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮರ್. ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಟ್ ಬಾರೋವರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ 2 ಕೋಟಿ. ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಅದರ್ ದನ್ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್. ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಟ್ ಬಾರೋವರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ 2 ಕೋಟಿ. ಇದು ಇಷ್ಟು ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಮುಗೀತು. ಒಂದು 18%. ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? 18%. ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಜಿನಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? 8%. 8, 9, 9.5. ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ ಏನು ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 1 hectare ಆಫ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಜಿನಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ 1 hectare. 2 hectare ಇದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮರ್. ಮಾರ್ಜಿನಲ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್. ಏನು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್? 1 hectare ಮಾರ್ಜಿನಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮರ್, 2 hectare ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮರ್. ಓವರ್. ಇದು ಬೀಳ್ತದೆ. ಇದು ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಓವರ್. ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಓವರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ MSME. ಈ ಸಲ ಪೇಪರಿಗೆ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಪೇಪರ್. MSME, micro, small, medium enterprises. You take the latest committee you write, MSME, UK Sinha committee. He was a farmer, he was a SEBI, this for him, chairman. UK Sinha committee. MSME you take, the definition of MSME undergone a change with effect from 1st of July. Hello, very good. Now again you write, manufacturing and service merged. There is no classic merger. Both have been merged now. Now you have to see both conditions are fulfilled. One is the original investment and turnover. Both have to be met. Now 3 columns you make: micro, small, medium. Large ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. Micro, small, medium. Micro ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮಷಿನರಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿರಬೇಕು? 1 crore. ಟರ್ನ್ ಓವರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರಬೇಕು? 5 crore. ಇವು ಎರಡೂ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. 1 crore and 5 crore both have to be met. Now there is no classification as a manufacturing and a service. Both are clubbed. And but you have to, whether it is a manufacturing or service, both. ಒಂದು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಒಂದು ಟರ್ನ್ ಓವರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. 1 crore 5 crore ಆಯ್ತು. ಇದು ಯಾವುದು? ಮೈಕ್ರೋ. ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. 10 and 50. 10 and 50. 10 and 50. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ 50 and 250. See how to remember. ನೋಡಿ 5 times ಇದೆ ಇದು. 1 and 5. 10 into 5. 50 into 5. Very good. Now again, over. Next again in this micro, the sub-target you take. In that micro target you take 7.5% of ANBC. Micro target is to 7.5% of ANBC. One. Khadi village industry comes under micro only. ಆಮೇಲೆ MSME ಒಳಗೆ 10 lakh no collateral security. Up to 10 lakh no collateral security. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, MSME ಒಳಗೆ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಒಬ್ಟೇನ್ ಒಂದು ಏನು ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್, ಉದ್ಯಾನ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಯು ಟು ಟೇಕ್. ಉದ್ಯೋಗ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್, ಉದ್ಯೋಗ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್. MSME ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಾವು ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮಷಿನರಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಡಿಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ವಿಚ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಅಡಾಪ್ಟಿಂಗ್, ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಡೌನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮೆಥಡ್. And annual turnover computation, export turnover is to be removed. It should not be taken. Export turnover should be excluded. ಆಮೇಲೆ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಡೌನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್, ಡೆಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್. ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ಅಪ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಈಗ MSME ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ಅಪ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ 50 crore ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ದಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ MSME ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ಅಪ್. ನೋಡಿ, ಎರಡೂ ಟ್ರೈ ಆಗಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, MSME ಆಯಿತಾ, ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವುದು? MSME ಆಯಿತು. ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಒಂದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. 20 lakh, ವೆದರ್ ಇನ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟಡೀಸ್, ಫಾರಿನ್ ಸ್ಟಡೀಸ್, 20 lakh ಮುಗೀತು. ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಲೋನ್ ಪ್ರಯಾರಿಟಿ 20 lakh ಮುಗೀತು, ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಲೋನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್, 2% ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಆರ್ 40 crore ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಬಾರೋವರ್. ಒಂದು ಬಾರೋವರಿಗೆ ಮೊದಲು 25 ಕೋಟಿ ಇತ್ತು, ಈಗ 40 ಕೋಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 2% ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಆರ್ ಪರ್ ಬಾರೋವರ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್? 40 crore. 40 crore ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಷನ್, ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್. ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ನೋಡಿ, 4 ಆಯಿತು: ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್, MSME, ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೌಸಿಂಗ್ ಒಳಗೆ ABC ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಒಂದು ಮೆಟ್ರೋಪಾಲಿಟನ್ ಸಿಟೀಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ 10 lakh ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಶಾಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸೀಡ್ 45 lakh and loan quantum shall not exceed 35 lakh. 35. If it is a metropolitan, more than 10 lakh population. If it is less than 10 lakh, project cost shall not exceed 35 lakh, loan quantum shall not exceed 30 lakh. 35-30 ಇದು ಒಂದು. B, repairs of the damaged house ಇದ್ರೆ, repairs of the damaged house, if it is in metropolitan 10 lakh, other than metropolitan 6 lakh. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಲಮ್ ಡೆಲ್ಲರ್ಸಿಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ನೀವು ಕೊಡೋದಿದ್ರೆ 10 lakh rupees ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸ್ಲಮ್ ಡೆಲ್ಲರ್ಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಮಚ್ ಯು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಇನ್ ಹೌಸಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ 5 ಆಯಿತು: ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್, MSME, ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ 20 lakh, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಯಿತು 40 crore, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೌಸಿಂಗ್ ಆಯಿತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಇನ್ಫ್ರಾಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್. ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಚೇಂಜ್, 5 crore ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಅದರ್ ದನ್ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಆಯುಷ್ಮಾನ್ ಭಾರತ್ ಅಂತ. ಆಯುಷ್ಮಾನ್ ಭಾರತ್ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಐ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ಡ್. ಶ್ರೀಪಾದ್ ನಾಯ್ಕ್ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೈಫ್. ಆಯುಷ್ಮಾನ್ ಓವರ್. ಆಯುಷ್ಮಾನ್ ಭಾರತ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್, ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್. Tier 2 to Tier 6 cities. Tier 1 not applicable. Tier 2 to Tier 6 cities, 30 crore. ನೋಡಿ 5 crore individual, but health purpose Ayushman Bharat, Tier 2 to Tier 6 cities, how much? 30 crores. Very good. Next, renewable energy, 15 crore per Bharat, 30 crore now. It was 30 crore, earlier 15 crore, now 30 crore. Renewable energy, 15 ಇತ್ತು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮು, ಈಗ 30 ಕೋಟಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡು 10 lakh. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದರ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅದರ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ PMJDY OD ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿ ಎಷ್ಟು? 10,000. ಆಮೇಲೆ ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ 1 lakh, ವುಮನ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಷರೀಸ್ 1 lakh, ಡೆಟ್ ಸ್ವೈಪಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ನಾನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ಸ್, ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ 1 lakh. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಅದರ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತವೆ. ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ಕೊಡೋದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ. ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಹೌಸಿಂಗ್
Renewable energy, 10 lakhs.
ಹೌದು 10 lakh. ಸೊ 8 ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿ ಇದೆ ಪ್ರಯಾರಿಟಿ ಒಳಗೆ. ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಆಯಿತು, MSME ಆಯಿತು, ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಇನ್ಫ್ರಾಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್, ರಿನ್ಯೂಯಬಲ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ, ಅದರ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನು?
How many PSLC?
There are 4 priority sector lending certificates. Only 4. ಒಂದು ವೀಕರ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರು, ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಯಾರಿಟಿ, ಒಂದು ಟೋಟಲ್ 4 ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ, ಮುಗೀತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
Size of PSLC?
25 lakh. ಸೈಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ 25 lakh ಇರಬೇಕು.
Education loan?
20 lakh. Priority sector 20 lakh.
Micro enterprises?
Micro unit is coming under Khadi village industry. The target 7.5% of ANBC. Micro 7.5%.
Amendment of which date?
MSME Act amendment 1st of July. Other revised the priority sector guidelines 4/9/2020. 4/9/2020. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾನಿಟರಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ವಾರ್ಟರ್ಲಿ ಬೈ RBI. ಆಮೇಲೆ
Non-achievement of PSL?
ನಾನ್ ಅಚೀವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಫಾಲ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ RDF ನಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ರೂರಲ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಫಂಡ್ ವಿತ್ NABARD. You have to deposit. If you have done excess, you can sell it to other bank online and you can earn the money. If there is a short, there is a penalty for you. You have to achieve minimum 40%. If you achieve 36, what is the shortfall? Deposit the money with the RDF. If you achieved 40, if you have 52%, I can sell it to other bank who have need the money and I will get the interest income on that. Next,
Periodicity of monetary?
quarterly. Weaker section RRB 15%. RRB 15%. Other than RRB 10%. Priority sector. फटाफट.
Sir, others ನಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ, last one is
ನೋಡಿ, ಒಂದು ಡೆಟ್ ಸ್ವಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ನಾನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ಸ್ 1 ಲಕ್ಷ, ವುಮನ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಷಿಯರೀಸ್ಗೂ 1 ಲಕ್ಷ, ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ಗೂ 1 ಲಕ್ಷ, PMJDY ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ 10,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಡೋದು. ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಅದರ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಮುಗೀತಲ್ಲಿ 8 ಒಟ್ಟು 8 ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿ. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಸರ್, ಆಲ್ ಟಕಾಟ್. Half an hour paper is over, 1 hour paper over. Provided you are just like mathematics, it is either you know or you do not know. If I know, okay, good. If I do not know, no problem, because there is no negativity. But there is valuation. Valuation is there. Go, sit. 4 options are appearing. Read all the 4 options. All the above, none of the above, any of the above, 2 of the above. Let me think. But don't take more time to think. Only one question. Again, a half mark. You have to be very fast your mind. All the above. Like that. First, whatever low risk questions you attempt first. All agriculture register, government officials. Then come to medium risk, NGO, these blind people. Then come to high risk, balance sheet and all that. Because the time factor is important. But there is no negative valuation. But it is advantage for everybody. It means you have to attempt all the questions, whether you know or you do not know. Okay, what is the next? Over. What I come covered? A few all has come, but before that I'll hit one more point. And you take now agriculture. Fatapat. 10 marks on agriculture. Beautiful. Agriculture, what is the full swing, agriculture. I will give you 25 points on that. Take it out. Number 1, agriculture. Up to 25,000, no processing charges. I'll give you some 50 questions, taka. Answers only I'll give you, take it down. Up to 25,000, no processing charges. Number 2, up to 25,000, no penal interest. Agriculture. Then above 25,000 to 2 lakh, 1% penal interest. And above 2 lakh, 2% penal interest. Maximum penal interest 2% only. Above 2 lakh, 2% penal interest. Then agriculture, you have to sanction the loan. The radius is 30 km per collie, not 16 km, 30 km. This is applicable for scale 3 managers only. 30 km ಒಳಗೆ ಸಾಲ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅವರು. 30 km is the command area. 30 km I am telling you. Okay, next, no bills have to be insisted up to 50,000. Bill ಕೇಳಬೇಡಿ. Agriculture ಒಳಗೆ no bill. I will no due certificate, you should not insist. Fatapat, ಮುಗೀತು. Next, agriculture development loan up to 2 lakh, no bills. Agriculture development loan, no bills for 2 lakh. Aita, command area, I told you what, but scale 4 and above can go beyond 30 kilometers. Scale 4 and above can go beyond 30 kilometers. Command area. Estate purchase is the only non-priority agriculture loan. Estate purchase. Estate purchase is the only non-priority agriculture loan. Estate purchase. ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಬಿಲ್ಸ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಅದಾಯಿತು, ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಪೆನಲ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಎಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಆಯಿತಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಲೋನ್, ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಲೋನ್ ಮೇಲೆ 5 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಈ ಸಲ, 5 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ರಿಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ 12 months, ಮುಗೀತು. ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಲೋನ್, ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಲೋನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ರಿಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ 12 months, ಒಂದಾಯ್ತು. ನಂಬರ್ ಟು ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಲೋನ್ ಕ್ರಾಪ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ 10 lakh, ನಾನ್ ಕ್ರಾಪ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ 20 lakh. 10 lakh 20 lakh ಮುಗೀತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಜ್ಯುವೆಲ್ ಅಪ್ರೈಸರ್ ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರ ಏಜು ಎಷ್ಟಿರಬೇಕು? 30 to 60 years. ಕ್ರಾಪ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ 10 lakh, ನಾನ್ ಕ್ರಾಪ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ 20 lakh. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಏಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಜ್ಯುವೆಲ್ ಅಪ್ರೈಸರ್ 30 to 60. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವ ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟೆಡ್ ಫಾರ್ 3 years ಓನ್ಲಿ, ಬಟ್ ದಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ರಿನ್ಯೂಡ್ ಅನದರ್ 3 years. 5 year ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅವನಿಗೆ. ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ 10 crore ಇದ್ರೆ 50,000 ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಡಿಪಾಸಿಟ್. Less than 10 crore of portfolio of the branch. Gold loan portfolio less than 10 crore idre 50,000 security deposit. 10 crore to less than 20 crore idre ಎಷ್ಟು? 1 lakh. Then 20 crore to 50 crore 1.5. Above 50 crore ಎಷ್ಟು? 2 lakh. 50, 1 lakh, 1 lakh 50, 2 lakh security deposit. 50,000 ಆರಾಮ, 50, 1, 1.5, 2 ಮುಗೀತು. ಓಕೆ. हाँ, लेस देन 10 crore 50,000, लेस देन 20 crore 1 लाख, लेस देन 50 crore 1,50,000, और 50 crore के ऊपर कितना भी अमाउंट होने दो 2 लाख रुपए सिक्योरिटी डिपॉजिट. और अप्रेजल चार्जेस ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, अप्रेजल चार्जेस 100 पैसे ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 50 पैसे per 100, मैक्सिमम 200 rupees. ಇದು ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಲೋನ್ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು. 50 पैसे per 100, मैक्सिमम how much? 200. Reappraisal charges you take 15 पैसे per 100, maximum 50 rupees. Reappraisal charges 15 पैसे per 100, maximum 50 ರೂಪಾಯಿ. ಅಪ್ರೈಸಲ್ ಆಯಿತು, ರೀಅಪ್ರೈಸಲ್ ಆಯಿತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಲೋನ್ ಓಡಿ. ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಲೋನ್ ಓಡಿ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ 1.75 lakh, ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ 20 lakh. ಸಿ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಯು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಲೋನ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಇದು 20 ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು, ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ 20 lakh. ಸೊ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಲೋನ್ ಓಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು? ಓಡಿ ಇಸ್ ಟೆನೇಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ 3 years. ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಓಡಿ ಕೊಡಿ 3 years, 1.75 ಮಿನಿಮಮ್, ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್? 20 lakh ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಲೋನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೂ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಂಬೈನ್ಡ್ ಹಾರ್ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ ಲೋನ್? AGM-RO. AGM-RO ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪರ್ಮಿಟ್ ಕಂಬೈನ್ಡ್ ಹಾರ್ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ ಲೋನ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಕಿಸಾನ್ ಓಡಿ 3 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್. ಕಿಸಾನ್ ಓಡಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, 4 year ಇನ್ಕಮ್. ಕಿಸಾನ್ ಓಡಿ 4 year ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ 1 lakh, ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ 7.5 lakh. But if the recovery percentage is more than 90%, 12.5 lakh you can go. And in this 7.5 lakh, 1 lakh outside borrowing clear ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. 1 lakh outside borrowing clear ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. OD is tenable for 3 years. Kisan OD is tenable for 3 years. 1 lakh outside borrowing can be cleared. I thought it is purely for working capital it is given. OD means working capital only. Kisan OD is over. Next, Kisan Suvidha. Kisan Suvidha is the validity period is 5 years. 50,000 rupees. You can give 50,000 rupees. Next, Kisan Tatkal. Kisan Tatkal minimum 1,000, maximum 50,000. Kisan Tatkal 1,000 minimum, maximum is to 50,000. Next, Krishi Mitra 50,000. Allah was sir, what is Krishi Mitra 50,000. Krishi Mitra over. Next, agriculture consumption loan. There are a lot of things are there. Again, I can speak on hours together, years together. Agriculture consumption loan you can give 15,000. Repayable in 3 years. Repayable in 3 years. Agriculture consumption loan. I mean, debt swapping of farmers. And if the farmer has taken loan from the money lender, you can clear it. How much? 50,000 rupees. Debt swapping of the farmers. I mean, a 5-year repayment period. 5-year repayment period. क्या चाय है क्या? अभी 5 minutes. हाँ आयता हाँ. Next यादायतो. Next 50,000. Debt swapping of farmer 50,000 or 50 over. ALLHV take. ALLHV doesn't include car. ALLHV doesn't include car. It includes lorry and all that. ALLHV 15 acres. In the case of heavy vehicle, 15 acres of perennial land should be there. ALLHV 15 acres of perennial land should be there. Heavy vehicle margin is 15 to 25%. Heavy vehicle. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 30 HP ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್. 30 HP ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರಬೇಕು ಎಲಿಜಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ? 3 acres of irrigated land. 30 HP ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ 3 acres of irrigated land or 6 acres of dry land. ಇದು ಅಪ್ ಟು 30 HP ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್. ಅಬೌವ್ 30 HP ಇದ್ರೆ 4 acres of dry land, irrigated land or 8 acres of dry land. 4 and 8, 3 and 6. 30 HP, above 30 HP. Okay. Over. Next, agriculture produce loan. How much you can give? In the priority I told 50 lakh. Hello, but the branch sanction powers are 10 lakh only. Agriculture produce loan branch sanction powers are 10 lakh only. Provided recovery NPA is less than 5%. If NPA is more than 5%, that also powers are not there. So agriculture produce loan, branch powers are how much? 10 lakh. Provided NPA percentage is less than 5%, that is also there. Agriculture produce loan over. Next togoli. Reimbursement of, today only one person from Mumbai called me and he has asked me the questions. Reimbursement of development loans. Reimbursement means what? You already incurred the expenditure, now I have to pay. How much you can reimburse? You already incurred, now I have to pay. You are coming now, later on. He asked me the question, I was very happy. I replied him also. Reimbursement of development loan, how much you can do? Anybody? That means you are not ready, don't worry. But one advantage is that nobody has read, that is a good thing. I am not ready, you also not ready. Oh, good. So, reimbursement of development loan maximum is 100 lakh permitted. 100 lakh. But branch powers are only 5 lakh. And the expenditure should have incurred within 6 months only, not afterwards. That is reimbursement of development loan. Next, financing this custom unit. On the latest circular is there. Financing the custom unit for hiring. So, giving a term loan, minimum 2 lakh, maximum 50 lakh. Custom unit for hiring a term loan I am giving. So, 2 lakh minimum, maximum 50 lakh, margin 15 to 25%. In the case of small and marginal farmers, up to 3 lakh, no processing charges. Small and marginal farmer up to 3 lakh, processing charges ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫಿಶರ್ಮನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಿ ಫಿಶರ್ಮನಿಗೆ? ಮತ್ಸ್ಯ ಸುರಕ್ಷಾ ಫಿಶರ್ಮನ್ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ 10,000, ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ 1 lakh. ಫಿಶರ್ ವುಮನ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಅದರ ಅರ್ಧ 5,000 and 50,000. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫಿಶರ್ಮನ್ ಸಮೃದ್ಧಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ 1 lakh, ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ 10 lakh. ಫಿಶರ್ಮನ್, ಫಿಶರ್ ವುಮನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಮೃದ್ಧಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫಿಶರ್ಮನ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಅದನ್ನು ಆಲ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಲೋನ್, ಆಲ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಲೋನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? 20 lakh, ರಿಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ 9 years. ಆಲ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಲೋನ್.
All purpose agriculture term loan, sir.
20 lakh, repayable in 9 years.
Sir, Samruddhi, sir.
ಯಾವ್ದು ರೀ? ಸಮೃದ್ಧಿ 1 lakh ಮಿನಿಮಮ್, ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ 10 lakh. ಅದು ಮತ್ಸ್ಯ ಸುರಕ್ಷಾ, ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೀನದ್ದು ಫಿಶ್. ಅದೇ ನೌ ಯು ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೂ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪರ್ಮಿಟ್ accepting third party property to take circle head. Who can permit acceptance of third party property? ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು? ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಶುಡ್ ಪರ್ಮಿಟ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೂ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪರ್ಮಿಟ್ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡೆಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಅದರ್ ಒನ್, ಅದು ಆರ್ ಒ ಹೆಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಸಿ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಹೆಡ್, ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಆರ್ ಒ ಹೆಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆರ್ ಒ ಹೆಡ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಲೋನ್, PSR 29 ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಇಯರ್ಲಿ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೈಡೇ ಆಫ್ ಜೂನ್. PSR 29, PSR 29 ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಅದು. PSR 29 ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆಯಿತು. ದೆನ್ ಇವು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅಗ್ರಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿನಿಕ್. ಅಲೋ, ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಜಿನ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ರಿ. ಮಾರ್ಜಿನ್ ಮಾರ್ಗೇಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅಪ್ ಟು 1.60 lakh. ನೋ ಮಾರ್ಜಿನ್, ನೋ ಮಾರ್ಗೇಜ್, ಅಪ್ ಟು 1.60 lakh. ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ 1.60 lakh ಮೇಲಿದ್ರೆ 15 to 25% ಮಾರ್ಜಿನ್. ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಲೋನ್ ನೋ ಮಾರ್ಗೇಜ್, ನೋ ಮಾರ್ಜಿನ್, ಅಪ್ ಟು 1.60 lakh. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಕ್ರಾಪ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಆಲ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ನಾವು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸಬ್ವೆನ್ಷನ್. ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಲೋನ್ಗಿಲ್ಲ ಈಗ, ನೋ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸಬ್ವೆನ್ಷನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 1st of April. ಬಟ್ ಎನಿಮಲ್ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ರಿ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ 2%. ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಲೋನ್ ನೋ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸಬ್ವೆನ್ಷನ್ ನಾವು. ಈಗ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇನ್ ದ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೈರಿ, ಪೋಲ್ಟ್ರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಲೈಡ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇನ್ ದ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೈರಿ, ಪೋಲ್ಟ್ರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಲೈಡ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಬೀ ಕೀಪಿಂಗ್, ಸರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, in the case of agriculture and sericulture and beekeeping and in the activity okay, security you take 1.60 lakh, no margin, no mortgage. Then up to 1.60 lakh to 5 lakh you take the mortgage, 5 lakh mortgage. Above 5 lakh to 10 lakh you have to take the credit guarantee coverage is there. Then credit guarantee coverage is available, maximum is to 10 lakh only, not more than that. 1.60 lakh mortgage illa. above 1.60 lakh ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಗೇಜು? 5 lakh. above 5 lakh credit guarantee is there. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಗ್ರಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿನಿಕ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅಗ್ರಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿನಿಕ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ 20 lakh. ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ 20 lakh. ಗ್ರೂಪ್ 100 lakh. ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? 100 lakh. ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್, ಅಂಡರ್ 5 minutes ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇದು ಬೀಳ್ತದೆ 730/2020. ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಲೋನಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸಿಂಗ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲೈಸ್ ನಾವು, ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲೈಸ್ ಬೀಳ್ತದೆ. ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 730/2020 ಅಪ್ ಟು 25,000 ನೋ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್. ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸಿಂಗ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲೈಸ್ಡ್. 730/2020 ನವೆಂಬರ್ 1ರಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು, ಬೀಳ್ತದೆ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ. ಅಪ್ ಟು 25,000 ನೋ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸಿಂಗ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್. ಅಬೌವ್ 25,000 to 1 lakh ಎಷ್ಟು? 400 and see there are charges are there. Charge 450. Then 1 lakh to 2 lakh 750. 450 and 750. Then 1 lakh to 2 lakh. Then 2 lakh to 3 lakh 1050. Then 3 lakh to 5 lakh ಎಷ್ಟು? 1100. Very good. ಆಮೇಲೆ 5 lakh to 10 lakh ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ? 1450. And the last one is 2750. See how many slabs are there? Up to 25,000 ಇಲ್ಲ. 25,000 to 1 lakh ಎಷ್ಟು? 450. 1 lakh to 2 lakh 750. 2 lakh to 3 lakh 1050. 3 lakh to 5 lakh 1100. ಆಮೇಲೆ 5 lakh to 10 lakh ಎಷ್ಟು? 1450. And the last slab is up to 20 lakh how much? 2750. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಏನಂದರೆ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಇದು. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ದ ಲೋನ್, ಯು ನಾಟ್ ಟೇಕನ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ 25,000 ನಿಲ್, Next 100 rupees we are charging, safekeeping charges. Bank is charging to the customer. Safekeeping charges 100 rupees. Last 2 blocks are 200 rupees. Last 2 blocks is to 200 rupees. Safekeeping charges. This is going to come and it is centralized collecting. Agriculture gold loan. Agriculture gold loan. Agriculture gold loan togoli. If the LTV ratio is agriculture gold loan ಒಳಗೆ, if the LTV ratio is less than 4%, ಅವಾಗ ಒಂದು ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಗೆ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಗುಡ್ ಸೈನ್. ಇಫ್ ದ LTV ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಬಿಲೋ 4%, ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಒಂದು ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. 15 days ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸೆಂಡ್. I think agriculture now you take, we are sourcing the proposals. Suppose you are an employee already worked in Canara Bank. 5 years you have worked. You have worked in the responsible position. You are MSc with agriculture. You have worked as an agriculture officer. So after retirement we are engaging your services. But minimum loan amount should be sanctioned is 10 lakh. 10 lakh. Next togoli, Fasal Bima Yojana. Fasal Bima Yojana ಒಳಗೆ 3. ಒಂದು ರಾಬಿ, ಖರೀಫು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್. ರಾಬಿ ಕ್ರಾಪಿಗೆ 1.5% ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ, ಖರೀಫ್ ಕ್ರಾಪ್ 2% ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಕ್ರಾಪ್ಸಿಗೆ 5%. 1.5, 2 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 5. ಫಸಲ್ ಬಿಮಾ ಯೋಜನಾ ಮುಗೀತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಕೆಲಾಮಿಟೀಸ್. ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಕೆಲಾಮಿಟೀಸ್. ಇಫ್ ದ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಈಸ್ 30%, 33, ನೋ ರೀಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. If the damage is 33%, no restructuring. If the damage is above 33 to 50%, 2-year restructuring. If the damage is more than 50%, 5-year restructuring. Only 3 points. Damage is 33%, no restructuring. Damage is 33 above to 50%, 2-year. Above 50% is 5-year. Mugitu. This is the damage of natural crops and all that. Farmers Producer Organization. Then Agriculture Innovation Center you take. This is the appraisal, project appraisal. Existing customer 300 lakh, new customer 150 lakh. Project appraisal. Then valuation of land and property you take. Valuation of land and property, hello. If there is a structure is there, building is there, once in 3 years. If there is no structure, only site is there, once in 5 years. If there is a structure, once in 3 years. If there is no structure, once in 5 years. Then valuation of property togoli. AEO manager 30 lakh power. ಎಷ್ಟು? AEO promoting manager 30 lakh. If he is not the AEO, 20 lakh. 20 lakh. Then you take agriculture, purchase of agriculture land ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Maximum loan 10 lakh. 20% margin. Agriculture land ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು. 20 lakh maximum ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸಾಲ 10 lakh ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು, 20% margin. Target group small and marginal farmers. Purchase of agriculture land.
10 lakhs.
Agriculture produce loan ಹೇಳಿದಲ್ಲ. I think we will call, because there are so many things are there, but I am trying my best to cover almost all from the examination, whatever it may be.
So 20% margin.
Margin
Land for small and
marginal ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಅದು ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್, ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾರ್ಗೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ವಿಲ್ 5-10 minutes I'll take rest. Rest in the sense we'll have a tea and we'll come back. One thing I tell you, whether you get promotion or not, it is secondary. At least you read now, at least next 1 week. You empower yourself. You see so many things are there. Now you are seeing these things today only, I think. No problem. But at least you empower your knowledge. Examination is a different game together. But still you have got time. I remembered one lady from Gubbi branch. Only one day she appeared my class, only one day. Next day she went, she scored 54, her appraisal was good, she was promoted to scale 2. Within 1 day promoted. Today also I am telling you, you just listen my lectures, just go and another 1 week time is there and the paper is objective. Henry? Okay. So 10 minutes, we'll break for tea. Because time is very precious for me. I'll come within 5 minutes.
project appraisal, what was the project appraisal?
Project appraisal, 300 lakh for existing, 150 new borrower. क्या फोटो वीडियो निकाला क्या हाल
Yes, sir.
हाँ?
Yes, sir.
ऑफलाइन क्लासेस द
Yes,
ग्रेट
sir.
अनिल
Given.
अनिल बहुत ग्रेट है ह्यूमैनिटी पहले से ऐसा ही है कि बचपन से ऐसा ही रहेगा अब बाद में नहीं आता है ये नेचर सी यू आर अर्निंग गुडविल ऑफ ये पोस्ट इस जीएम लेकर क्या करना है ये है सर्विस इम्पोर्टेंट
प्रोडक्ट हमारा डिफरेंट
आपका वो लिंक अच्छा है ना एमडीए के साथ फटाफट हो जाता है काम You please have tea. Have a rest for 5-10 minutes. What is your name? Sahana. Which branch? ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ರೀ ಹೊರಮಂಗಲ ಇವುದೇ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ ಇಂದಿರಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಹಾಂ रिजल्ट कभी हो रहा है 1 to 2 days लेट आएगा
March.
नेक्स्ट वीक
After this exam only.
जल्दी से करना है ना कितना बहुत काम है क्या है सर Where you are working? You are working?
Sir, I'm from 18th class Malaysia, syndicate.
हाँ ई सिंडिकेट ई सिंडिकेट कल से वो ओबीसी लोग को भी ट्रेनिंग है ओबीसी पीपल तो कल उधर क्लास लेने को जाना को शांति हो उधर होटल में कर रहे हैं बिकॉज इधर होटल इधर एसएससी सेंटर किया ना तो मर रहे हैं क्या सभी ऐसा ही है न्यू यार बैठ जाओ
ಗಿರಿನಗರ್ ಸರ್
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇದೀವಲ್ಲ ಅಥವಾ ಮೊದಲು ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ
ತಗೊಂಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್
ಅದೇ ಹೇಳಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನನಗೆ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅಡ್ಡಿಲ್ಲ ಈ ಸಲ ಪಾಸ್ ಆದರೆ ಆಯ್ತು ರೀ
ಅನ್ಕೋತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್
ಅಲ್ಲ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊಸದೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಓದಬೇಕು
ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಝೀರೋ ಸರ್ ರೂರಲಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಮಾಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲ
ಗಿರಿನಗರ್ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಚೀಪ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ
ಸರ್ ಈಗ ಈ ಸಿಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಶಿವಪ್ಪ
ಮೊದಲು ಅಮ್ಮ ಇದ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಭಾಗ್ಯರೇಖಾ
ಭಾಗ್ಯರೇಖಾ ಹೀಗೆ ಮೊದಲಲ್ಲ ಅವಳು ಇವೆಂಟು ಹೈದರಾಬಾದ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದಟ್ ರವಿ ವಾಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಈಗ ವಿ ವಿ ಪುರಂ ಈಗ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಅದು ಗಿರಿನಗರ್
ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್
ಇದು ಸಿಟ್ ಲೇಟ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ 7:30 ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲರ ಹತ್ರ
ಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೂರ್ತಾರೆ ನಾನು ಈಗ ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂರ್ತಾರೆ ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ
ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಬ್ರಾಂಚು
ವಿಜಯನಗರ ಈ ಸಿಂಡಿಕೇಟ್
ಈ ಸಿಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಯು ಆರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಕೆನರಾ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಈ ಸಿಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ನೀವು
ಈ ಸಿಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೆನರಾ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಕುರುಬ್ರೇಡ್ ಬಸವೇಶ್ವರ ನಗರ
ನೀವು ಬಸವೇಶ್ವರ ನಗರ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಾ
ಬಸವೇಶ್ವರ ನಗರ ಕುರುಬ್ರೇಡ್
Sir, any idea of the vacancies?
Vacancies still not announced. And even if we should not bother about vacancies. Even if there is one vacancy, you should say it is belonging to me. That's all. मेरे को कितना चाहिए ನನಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು ಒಂದೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್
All
अच्छा वो सीबीओ डाला ना अजय क्या जगदीश आप नेक्स्ट आप ही है लीडर ग्रेट लीडर another 2 minutes will start